Thomas, and today we will be making a wacky chocolate cake. This cake actually is not that wacky, but it is super easy and it's super delicious, even though it takes like 5 minutes of preparation. This cake is actually even vegan if you leave out the chocolate chips, so you can eat it if you're vegan. Okay, first you're going to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Then you're going to take an 8-inch pan and a sheet of parchment paper. And you're going to take your parchment paper, line it up against one of the edges, crease against the other edge, fold along that crease and crease even more. And put this little flap upside down in the pan. Then you can put that off to the side. Now you're going to take a bowl and put in it a cup of sugar, 1 1/4 cups flour, 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to take a whisk and just whisk that mixture together. Now you're going to add 1/3 of a cup of canola oil, a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and a cup of water. Now you can just whisk that together. Smells good. I really love how easy this dessert is. Now, if you want, you can take a heaping 1/4 cup of chocolate chips and add that in as well. Chocolate chips are really yummy. I think they are a lot better, though of course if you're making this as a vegan cake, then you probably don't want to add those. So then you can just whisk that in. I actually also made this cake yesterday. That's in here, but it's already gone. So I have to make another one. Now I'm going to take my pan and pour the batter in. You may want to switch to a spatula. So now my oven still has 50 degrees to go until it gets to the target temperature, but I'm going to be back in a few minutes to put this in. This dessert is super delicious and super easy because it's really just combining ingredients in a bowl, putting them in. I don't know how long that took, but for me it took about 5 minutes. So I will see you in a minute. Now that my oven's preheated, I'm just going to put this in the oven for about 28 minutes. Okay, and I will be back once that comes out to take it out and then eat it eventually. Once your cake is done, you're going to take it out of the oven and put it on a rack to cool. I like to eat this while it's still warm, so I'll be back in like maybe 15 minutes to half an hour to come eat some of it, but obviously it's still good to cool as we still have our addition from yesterday. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so I haven't let this cool for very long. It's still warm, but I like it that way. So I'm just going to take a non-sharp knife, go around the edges of the pan, take my cutting board, take it out. Now, you can cut this into 4x4, 3x3, or however big you want. I'm going to do 4x4 for this dessert. So this is still warm and still gooey on top with all that chocolate just oozing out. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cool before eating the middle gooey pieces, but now I'm going to eat a piece. And this is probably one of the easiest cake recipes that is still tastes delicious that I know. So I would highly recommend making this if you just want to whip something up really quickly, but still have it taste delicious.